Hello everyone, we've got another double feature here, 11.3 and 11.4. So take a second, get this vocabulary written down, and then we'll look at some of the math problems. All right, so the first one we're looking at is Kenny Calloway. He's 30 years old. He purchases $50,000 of 5-year term life insurance. We want to know his annual premium. So what we want to do is figure out the number of units. Now, for all of the examples today, we're going to be selling them in $1,000 units. Now, you might notice it's 50 and this is 50,000. So kind of a shortcut is to just cross out your last 3 zeros. We then need to use this table to figure out his annual premium. Well, he's 30 years old and a male. So 321, multiply the 2 to get his annual premium. Pretty straightforward. But let's look at some examples on our own, and let's give them a try. So we've got an 18-year-old female, so female 18, with $50,000. Or again, cross out those last 3 and it's 50 units, and they are $277 per unit. All right, so we've got 50 times 277. She's gonna pay $138.50. Last one for this little part, 60 units, because again, 60,000, 45 and male, 45 male, 542. 60 times 542, so that's going to cost $325.20. So again, nothing too crazy here. Find the units, find the price. We'll look at another example here, a few of these. So number of units, just cross out the last 3 zeros. So 60, 85, 95 to 100. And now we just need to find our annual premiums. Female 20, female 20, 277. Male 45, male 45, 542. Female 35, female 35. Finally, male 50, male 50. All right, now we just multiply those two numbers together. 60 times 2.77, 166.20. 85 times 542, 460.70. 95 times 298, 283.10. And 200 times 759, 1,518. Okay. Let's keep on moving. So, again, just keep it going. Joni, purchasing 65 units. She's 25 and female. Female 25, so 277. 65 times 277. $180.05. Paul, 105 units. He's 25 and male. Male, 25, 321. looks like he's going to pay $337.05. All right. Our last part that we're looking at is comparing two different rates based on the age and finding their difference. So she's got 80 units. 80 units. At 35, it's going to cost her $298. At 30, it cost $277. So 680 times 298, $238.40. 80 times 277, $221.60. What's the increase? Well, just subtract big minus small. So $238.40 minus $221.60. To find the percentage, it's increase divided by original amount. So here it's 1680 divided by 221.60. So it's 0.0758. But remember, we want a percentage, so times by 100. So 7.58%. And those last two problems are pretty much the same, so I'll probably do them a little faster. 75 units. When he's 40, $425. When he's 45, $542. $75 times $425 is $318.75. 75 times $542 is $406.50. That's an increase of $87.75, which is a percentage increase of 27.53%. All right, she's got 120 units, 55 and 60. So 627. Or sorry, 858 and 1262. Same process, 120 times 858. 120 times 1262. Subtract the two, and that's an increase of $484.80. Original was $1024.60. $1029.60, which is an increase of 47.09%. Almost doubled. So that's 11.3 term life insurance. Now we're looking at 11.4 other types of insurance. So do me a favor, pause the video right here, get this vocabulary written down so we can keep moving. Okay, so Phyllis Saul is 25 years old. She wants to purchase a whole life insurance policy with a face value of $125,000. What's her annual premium? So to find the number of units, remember, just cross out those last three zeros. So 125, whole life, female, 25. Female, 25. So 750, and just multiply the two. So 937.50 is the annual premium. All right, last few. We'll keep the chart here. The units, just cross out the last three. So 50, 120, 200, 200. Female, whole life, 20. Whole life, female, 20. 625. Paid at 65, male, 30. Paid at 65, male, 30. Sorry, this was whole life, female, 20. Paid at 65, female, 35. Paid at 65, female, 35, 18. And whole life, male, 45. Whole life, male, 45. 25, 50. All right, multiply the two. So 50 times 625. 312.50. 120 times 17. 2040. 200 times 18. 3600. And 200 times 2550. To find our monthly, we divide by 12. So 312.50 divided by 12 is 2604. 2040 divided by 12, 170. 3600 divided by 12, 300. And 5100 divided by 12, 425. And there we go. That's section 11.3 and 11.4. So take a look at these. Make sure you also watch the homework videos to make sure you're working the problems correctly. And I'll see you next time.